kiss. Tell him no, tell him no. It's alright to go to a party. It's alright to have some fun. It's alright to take in a movie, but don't let him be the one. Tell him no, oh, oh, oh. Tell him no, oh, oh, oh. If he offers his ring, tell him no, tell him no. Did he tell you that he loved you? And did you thrill to his charm? And did you feel much more better when he held you in his arms? Tell him no, oh, oh.